Okay guys, there's like 35 seconds to go. You're gonna hear the boom. They're gonna give a shotgun up there. 30 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go. We're gonna leave. A lot of teams are not on the start line this morning because they've been disqualified. One of them got really late yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go, give it a go. Y al tiro. 10 seconds to go, 10 seconds to go, 10 seconds to go. Fuck, they didn't give a shotgun today. I'm gonna put one on the video, don't worry. Guys, we're going fishing. Look at the sunset, it's beautiful. Look at these guys racing. These guys are racing up. Look at the sunset! What's up guys? I got somebody to film me today, so it's gonna be cool! Sunset, what's up? Usted va a perder, pero lo siento mucho! Look at the sunrise, guys. The sunrise is crazy. Hey, dale esa vaina. Look at the sunset. We're going fishing.
Exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you and love. Life's sweetest reward. Let it flow. It floats back to you. Promise is something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore.
We're catching some fish, guys. It's going crazy for the last 5 minutes. I'm happy now. I like fishing.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside.
I don't give a shit about fishing. He likes baseball. Hey guys, what's up? tournament. It was crazy. I got crazy image for you. It was wow, 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 for real. I'm really tired. It's been 2 days in the sun. We catch so much fish. Thank you very much for being here with me today. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. I'm kind of tired right now, but wow. Look at all these people. All these people were fishing with me every day, 2 days in a row. Guys, the vlog is over. Thank you for subscribing. Love you very much.